One of the things you're going to get in your backpack are letters, foam letters that you're going to have to punch out, but that's okay. You may also want to keep them in a Ziploc bag so that they don't get loose. These letters are great for kids for so many reasons. The first thing you're going to do is find your letters of your name. My name is Beth, so I'm going to find my B, my E, my T, and my H. What you can do with children to help them learn matching, one of the early ways we learn the letters, is to write their name on a piece of paper. Notice that I'm using a broken crayon. Short crayons are really helpful when children are learning to write because they have to get all the way down to the end. So I have a thin crayon, which is recommended by occupational therapists, that's broken in two, very short. I've written my name down here. With my child, I would have said B-E-T-H. I've written your name, Beth. Let's see if we can match the letters. Let them find the letters that match. You can lay them on here or lay them near here. But this is one way children start to recognize letters. Let's read your name. The letters in your name are B-E-T-H. Then you may want to give them another piece of paper to allow them maybe to write their own name this time. But these letters can be lots of fun. The fun never ends. Thanks.